In this video, I'm going to show you how to reply to a specific message in Microsoft Teams. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open your chat where you want to reply to a specific message. So here, I'm just in a chat with myself because I have no other contacts on this account. And to do this, you can do this with anyone you're speaking to, okay? Even with yourself, as you can see over here. So all you have to do is just hover over the message you want to reply to over here. So for example, I'm going to hover over this one, and you want to click on the three dots top right to open the more options, and from here you have this reply option. Now when you click on the reply button, as you can see, there we go, it's going to quote that specific message, and you'll be able to reply to that specific message just like that. Okay, so I'm going to type in OK, and I'm going to send it, and as you can see, it appears as if I've replied to this specific message. I can see who it's from, when it was posted, and the exact time and content of the message as well. If somebody clicks on this, it's going to take you over to that specific message you replied to, and that's really it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.